If a contractor was going to have a fleet of one, I would say they should get a V-plow, just because of the versatility, the different things you can do. You can run it as a conventional plow with the wings in that position. You can run it as a scoop for parking lots. You can run it in the V position for clearing deep snow from rural roads. It's an all-purpose plow. It's a little more expensive than a straight plow, but you're paying for the functionality. So I think that's a good investment for somebody getting into the snow contracting business. Well, over the years, our V-plow line has evolved from what was the standard in the late 90s, early 2000s, which was just a flat steel V-plow. Early on, we adopted a poly moldboard face. That took away the corrosion, took away the friction, took away the sticking snow in a wet condition, and it actually looks a lot nicer because it doesn't get rusty over time. It's a great material for a plow. Next step was to add the flared wings, where they flare up from the center. And that gives you a little more capacity. It allows you to build a little more snow up, cast it out a little further as you're going down the road or the driveway or whatever you're doing. Also will contain more snow as you're pushing across the parking lot if that's what you're doing. We went at that same time from a moldboard where the moldboard completely trips to trip edges, which are a much less violent way of dealing with an obstruction. We came into the market quite a few years ago with the original really effective quick hitch system for a snowplow. Made it very easy for people to hook up their plows. Next step after that was the controller. We designed a great controller that's totally intuitive. You never have to look at it. It's just, you know where it's at. It's a little joystick that you operate with your thumb. So if you want to cut your headaches, go with the Hiniker.